Looking for a budget-friendly drone with pro-level features? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2025 that deliver stunning 4K 8K video, GPS stability, and obstacle avoidance, all without breaking the bank. Welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping on AliExpress, I've handpicked the top 5 drones that balance price, performance, and reliability. I'll cover product info, reviews, and key pros, so stick around to see which one fits your needs best. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. V168 Pro MAX Drone. This drone comes with an 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission, brushless motors, and full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Plus, it includes a large screen controller for real-time monitoring. Reviews? Users say it feels like a premium drone at a budget price, especially with the crisp 8K camera. Pros: 8K professional HD camera, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, brushless motors for durability, large screen controller. Number 2. Xiaomi V198 GPS Drone. From Xiaomi, this folding quadcopter packs an 8K camera, 5G Wi-Fi, brushless motors, and laser barrier avoidance for safer flying. Reviews? Buyers love its compact foldable design and say it's stable even in moderate winds. Pros: trusted Xiaomi build quality, foldable, travel-friendly design, laser obstacle avoidance, 8K Ultra HD video. Number 3. 600 Lira Pro Max Drone. This model features dual 4K HD cameras, 5 km flight range, GPS, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Reviews? Users highlight the smooth footage thanks to the gimbal, perfect for cinematic shots. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for stable video, dual camera setup, 5 km range, obstacle avoidance system. Number 4. S156 Large Screen Drone. Equipped with a brushless motor, optical flow positioning, and ultra-stable controls, the S156 is designed for both beginners and experienced flyers. It comes with a large screen controller for real-time FPV. Reviews? Customers appreciate its stability and one-click takeoff landing, calling it a great starter drone with pro features. Pros: beginner-friendly with optical flow stability, large screen controller, brushless motor durability, one-click takeoff and landing. Number 5. SX1 Drone GPS 8K. This foldable drone includes dual 8K cameras, GPS, 3-axis gimbal, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and brushless motors for smooth performance. Reviews? Users love it as a budget DJI alternative, with excellent obstacle avoidance and sharp video capture. Pros: dual 8K cameras, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, foldable, travel-ready design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And that wraps up the top 5 best AliExpress drones of 2025. If you want cinematic stability, the 600 Lira Pro Max with its gimbal is the way to go. For maximum portability, the Xiaomi V198 or SX1 are solid choices. And if you need all-round performance at a bargain, the V168 Pro MAX is a clear winner. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss the latest reviews. Quick question: would you use your drone mainly for travel, photography, or fun flying? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.